Hey, I just Google you and I see a lot of rumors about you.
What the fuck?
I hope this doesn't wreck your interview.
Oh man, fuck! I'm gonna be screwed with this interview. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose this interview.
Wait a minute, I saw this video on YouTube of a company that takes care of problems just like this.
Oh yeah? Who?
Reputation Raptors.
You think they will fix my problem?
Yeah, they do the best job there.
Okay, I'm gonna give them a call.
Hey, how did it go?
It went beautiful. Reputation Raptors, they really helped me out with my problem and everything. The representative named Rajiv, he helped me out. He deleted my problem. He deleted the problem on Google. Now I could go for my job interview tomorrow. Thank you, Reputation Raptors. Thank you, Rajiv, for everything you did for me.